the next one was Just a Girl by No Doubt, and this one is ABC by the Jackson 5. On the bass is Stella McLemore, and the pianist is August McKinney. And as for the guitar, we have Cole Pivek, and on the drums is Jacob McKinney, and I am Anya Behagen.
Yeah! Woo!
You went to school to learn, girl, you never knew before. Like I for except that single one. Plus it makes one, I'm gonna teach you all about love, girl, all about love. Sit yourself down, take a seat. All you gotta do is repeat after me. ABC, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. As simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. ABC, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. As simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. Just a little bit. Don't want to just a little bit. I'm gonna teach you how to sing it out. Come, well, let me show you what it's all about. Reading, writing, arithmetic, got the riches of the dream. Got the roots of every day. Your education ain't complete. Teacher's gonna show you. She's gonna show you how to get an A. How to spell me. You add the two. Listen to me, baby, that's all you got. ABC, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. As simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. ABC, it's easy. It's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. That's how easy love can be. That's how easy love can be. Sing a simple melody. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me. Yeah. Sit down, girl. I think I love you. No, get up, girl. Show me what you can do. Shake it, baby. Come on now, shake it, baby.